Encountering issues with Windows Defender on Windows 11, our latest video has you covered. Learn step by step how to repair Windows Defender, ensuring your system stays protected. From troubleshooting to fixing common errors, we have got the solutions. Step 1. Open Settings in Windows 11. Step 2. Go to Privacy and Security and select Windows Security. Step 3. In Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Step 4. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Step 5. Toggle off the Real-Time Protection switch. Step 6. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Step 7. Type the command cd%program files %/Windows Defender and press enter. Step 8. Run the command mpcmd run.exe to open the Windows Defender command line utility. Step 9. Enter the command remove definitions all and press enter to clear existing definitions. Step 10. Close the command prompt and go back to Windows Security. Step 11. Toggle on the real-time protection switch. Step 12. Update virus and threat protection to download the latest definitions. Step 13. Restart your computer for changes to take effect.